All right, maybe these edge cleaning tests are too easy. Let's try this Simplicity Symmetry. And I did initially run this with the brush roll on, but let me tell you, on this concrete floor, it didn't sound very good. So I'm going to turn the brush roll off. Now you should know the rug plate on this machine does have air inlets. In fact, it has 2 on either side. And this edge right here has the largest 2. So let's see how well it can pick up flour right on the edge. Brush roll off, because it just sounds like it's beating itself up. All right, that didn't touch anything. All right, so just to be fair, somebody's hollering saying, turn the brush roll on because you did for the others. Well, all right, I'll try it with the brush roll on. It's going to sound so bad, though. Yeah. So it just can't pick up stuff from the edge. At least not flour anyway. Brush roll on and off. Oh well, you know, you win some, you lose some. Thanks for watching.